Attorney General Vincent Byron suggests that at the moment it is virtually left up to businesses in the country to determine whether or not their employees must be vaccinated to remain employed. The Attorney General was asked at the Prime Minister's press conference about the decision by some companies, most notably TDC, mandating its workers to be vaccinated pending punitive measures if they do not.
There are certain types of engagements which we believe require that those who interact with our customers, members of staff, and others be vaccinated. We determine that these are what we would say frontline, that are who are more susceptible, more exposed and vulnerable, and that there should be some measure of control in those areas. It has been for us up to this point where this is a decision to take by various establishments. They are subject, in some cases, to various types of laws by constitutional arrangements. But in the case of where it is reasonably justifiable in our society, and the fact that we have this wide-ranging pandemic, this virus, it is reasonable for some establishments to require that their frontline employees have some form of coverage of the vaccination process.
The Attorney General said the legality of mandatory vaccination is something the government is still looking into.
At this point in time, there is no policy that has been decided by the cabinet. We have been part, as I'm sure the Prime Minister will say, of an ongoing discussion within the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, where the heads have mandated that their various legal departments, their legal experts, come up with a common policy for all our individual countries. It is a matter that is across the region, is something of great debate.
Recently, a memo dated July 2nd, issued by the Board of Directors and sent to staff of TDC, outlined the TDC Group policy for crisis situations. The memo addressed the issue of vaccination against COVID-19 and the possibility of job termination on failure to be vaccinated. Mr. Earl Kelly, the chairman and CEO of TDC, said the company deliberated and sent the memo out, and its only obligation is to their staff. The Chamber of Industry and Commerce had called for its members to encourage its staff to vaccinate, but some commentators see the move by TDC as a strong push by the company to compel its staff to take the COVID-19 vaccine. Andre Huey, SKN Newsline.